Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Aishwarya. About a month ago, I had put on my channel a poll asking you guys that I wanted to do a painting on things video, either BTS or BLACKPINK version, and I asked you whether I should do BTS or BLACKPINK or both. And most of you guys voted for both, and I'm very happy because even I wanted to do both the versions. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a BLACKPINK painting on pink. I'll be painting on my eyeglass mirror case. So I'm very excited. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
This is the case that I'll be painting on. First of all, I'm going to start off by making a rough sketch on my case using a silver pen. I've made a rough sketch of Jennie, Jisoo, Lisa and Rose. After sketching, I'm going to start painting the case using acrylic paint. First, I'll paint their faces using skin color. Next, I'll paint Jennie's hair with dark brown paint. Now I'm painting Lisa's hair. I'm using red to paint Jisoo's hair. I use the reference of their Coachella's outfit. I'll use golden to paint Rose's hair. Next, I'll go ahead and give details to their hairs. Next, I'll paint Jisoo and Rose's dress with black paint. Now, I'm painting their eyes. I blended purple, white and blue for the finger heart. I painted the dresses and gave details to them. More and more and more and more details. Next, how can I forget their microphones? So I went ahead and painted their microphones and I'm giving details to them. They're just so cute. Now I'll use light pink color to paint the BLACKPINK logo. Ooh, how can I forget the little heart? We're almost towards the end of the painting. Now I'm keeping small little white dots to the black background. Now let's see the final work.
Keep watching me shut it down.
Ooh, I can't believe the way my case has turned out. The girls are super cute to resist. My boring black case is now turned into super cute BLACKPINK eyewear case. I'll be carrying it all around. Let me know in the comments how much you liked it.
And that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye!